Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly versatile and essential accessory for anyone with a professional document scanner or a host of other USB-B devices. The ET18 15-foot USB host data sync charger power cable. This particular cable is specifically highlighted for its perfect compatibility with the CZUR ET16 Plus and ET18 Pro professional document scanners, making it an indispensable tool for users of these high-end devices. One of the immediate standout features of this ET18 cable is its impressive length. At an extra-long 15 feet, or approximately 4.5 meters, it offers unparalleled flexibility in setting up a workspace. No longer are users tethered to the immediate vicinity of their computer or power outlet. This extended reach allows for optimal placement of scanners, printers, or other peripherals, ensuring a clean and efficient setup without the need for awkward extensions or cramped arrangements. This extended reach is a game changer for those who value organization and freedom in their office environment. Beyond its generous length, the cable boasts robust USB 2 connectivity. This isn't just about physical connection, it's about performance. With a data transmission speed reaching up to 480 Mbps, this cable ensures that tasks like scanning documents with the CZUR ET16 Plus or ET18 Pro, or printing a complex document, are completed in mere seconds. The efficiency it brings to data transfer is crucial for professional settings where time is money and quick, reliable performance is paramount. It handles both data synchronization and power delivery, making it a comprehensive solution for connected devices. What truly elevates this ET18 cable is its incredible versatility. While it's an ideal match for the CZUR scanners, its utility extends far beyond. It functions as a standard USB 2 printer cable, perfectly suited for connecting a wide array of printers from major brands like HP, Canon, Lexmark, Epson, Dell, Xerox, and Samsung to any laptop or desktop computer, whether Mac or PC. It's also perfect for linking various other devices such as fax machines, external hard drive disks, servers, keyboards, MIDI devices, DACs, and digital cameras. Its broad compatibility makes it a smart investment, reducing the need for multiple specialized cables. The black color and durable construction ensure it blends seamlessly into most setups and stands up to regular use. For anyone seeking a reliable, high-speed, and exceptionally long USB-B cable, especially for their CZUR ET16 Plus or ET18 Pro scanner, the ET18 15-foot cable presents itself as a superior choice, offering both convenience and performance in one package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.